Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will prove a very important formula. Most of the time we are using this formula, that is a base log 1 equal to 0 and a base log a equal to 1. Why this one happening? Now I'll give you the basic idea of this. Actually it comes from the definition. We know that if a to the power x equal to b, then a base log b will be x. This is our definition of logarithm, where we can say a greater than 0 and a cannot be equal to 1. Okay, and b, the argument, that will be greater than 0. This is the definition of the logarithm. So we know that from the exponential form a to the power 0 equal to 1, by using the idea of the definition of logarithm, instead of this one, we can write a base log 1 equal to 0. 0 and 1 will be replaced in that way. Similarly, from this one, a to the power 1 equal to a. So by using the definition of logarithm, we can write a base log a equal to 1. Actually, these two formula comes from the definition of logarithm. So if you understand the definition of logarithm properly, then you can easily understand this idea. I hope you understand this one properly.